In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce CPC or cost per click in Google Ads, which is crucial for maximizing your ad spend and improving overall campaign performance. Whether you're new to Google Ads or simply looking to optimize your costs, these steps will guide you through adjusting your setup to reduce expenses efficiently while maintaining effectiveness. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Ads. This platform allows you to drive more customers to your business through online advertising. Once you are on the Google Ads homepage, you'll need to sign in to access your account. If you're not already signed up, you can quickly create an account and begin exploring the advertising features Google provides. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home, where you can manage and monitor all your campaigns and ad groups. This homepage is your control center, giving you the overview and insights necessary to make informed decisions about your advertising strategy. When you're ready to delve deeper, click on Campaign. Campaigns are essentially the foundation of your advertising setup. Here, you organize and refine your advertising efforts. Each campaign can target different audiences or regions and have specific budgets or bidding strategies. From here, direct your attention to audiences, keywords, and content. This part of Google Ads is vital because it's where you can define who sees your ads. Accurate targeting ensures that you're spending your advertising budget on reaching the right people. Exploring this section thoroughly can provide significant insights into how you might reduce cost per click by optimizing who is viewing your ads. Next, click on Keywords. Keywords are critical as they determine when and where your ads are displayed. A well-selected set of keywords aligns your ads with relevant searches, thereby optimizing the expenditure on clicks. At this stage, it's important to continually analyze the performance of your keywords. Some may not be performing as expected, or perhaps they're triggering your ads for irrelevant searches, which costs more without yielding results. Moving forward, click on negative keywords. This is pivotal in reducing CPC because negative keywords allow you to filter out traffic that is unlikely to convert. By using negative keywords, you effectively block irrelevant or unlikely to convert traffic, ensuring your ads reach an audience more likely to be interested in your offerings, which can help lower your costs. Finally, utilize the Add Negative Keywords option. Here, list the keywords you want to exclude from your campaigns. This proactive step prevents your ads from appearing in unrelated searches, saving your budget for more relevant clicks and thus reducing overall CPC. Implementing these strategies in Google Ads can significantly reduce your costs by refining your target audience and eliminating wasteful clicks. By fine-tuning your approach to keywords, both positive and negative, you are ensuring that every dollar spent on advertising is driving the right audience to your business. I hope this video helps you make the most out of your Google Ads campaigns, and thanks for watching.